Hi everybody, it's Adam with HeartValveSurgery.com, and we're at the American Association for Thoracic Surgery Conference in Chicago, Illinois. I'm thrilled to be joined by Dr. Marc Gillinov, who is the chairman of cardiac surgery at the Cleveland Clinic. Dr. Gillinov, it is great to see you again, and thanks for being with me today.
Thank you.
Yeah, so we're here at AATS, a lot of new research coming out. We're learning a lot about valvular disease. We're also getting questions from patients at HeartValveSurgery.com. One of them is your patient. This comes in from Sandy Gilbert, all about heart valve durability. The question is, hi Adam, I celebrated 16 years with my pericardial tissue valve implanted by Dr. Gillinov. I'm back in Cleveland Clinic for a lung issue, and they also checked out my valve. They found it is working with no issues. Is this unusual, and how long can it last?
Well, Sandy, first of all, stop by and say hello if you're in Cleveland. Secondly, that's a great run with an aortic valve replacement. A bovine pericardial valve, meaning it's cow pericardium, at 16 years is not unusual. I've seen them last up to 22 years. And the longer they last, the better off you are, meaning if you're made 16 years, you've got a good shot at 20 years. And this is one of the reasons that we think in people who are in their 60s, you should consider this particular surgical valve as a first step, because you may get 20 years out of it. So not unusual, a great run.
Yeah, well, Sandy, let's hope that run continues. And Dr. Gillinov, on behalf of Sandy and all the patients in our community, thanks so much to you and your team at the Cleveland Clinic for all the great work you're doing. Thanks for being with me today.
Thank you.
Hi, everybody, it's Adam. I hope you enjoyed that video. And don't forget, you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel, watch the next 2 educational videos coming up on your screen, or click the blue button to visit HeartValveSurgery.com.